Good evening everybody. This is another number solving session with me. Okay, so stay tuned. Just see the number series drawn here. How I am going to solve this. I am going to show how it can be solved. Okay. Moving from LHS to RHS, just consider these two numbers. So if we add 5 with 6, then we get 11. Now take these two numbers, two consecutive numbers. So 11 plus 10 equal to 21. 21 plus 15 equal to 36. 36 plus 20 equal to 56. So just see the pattern, 5, 10, 15, 20. So what actually we are getting? So we are getting the incremental order of 5 to achieve the next number. So obviously, what should be the next number? It is very easy to derive. It should be 56 plus 25. Why I am going to take 25 instead of 30 or 23? Because if we take 30 or any other number, irrespective of the logic, this pattern will be distorted. Okay. If we take any number except 25, that plus 5 incremental pattern will be broken down here, and that should not be the logic. So what will be the next number? 81. So question mark will be replaced by 81 to complete this particular series. Hope you have understood this one. Stay tuned for the next one. Ten, 18, 28, 40, 54. Now going to derive the logic for this particular number series. From LHS to RHS, 10 plus 8 equal to 18. 18 plus 10 equal to 28. 28 plus 12 equal to 40. 40 plus 14 equal to 54. So why actually this? You have already got the logic in my previous solving sessions. Okay. Now 54 plus obviously 16, it will be 70, and obviously the next one and the unknown one will be 17 plus 18 equal to 88. Why 88? Hope you have got the logic. What is the actual logic? It is the incremental order of plus 2 in each case, or the pattern is plus 8, plus 10, plus 12, plus 14, plus 16, plus 18, and so on. In each case, it's plus 2 incremental order to keep the logic intact. Every time you will be moving on to the right hand side, this pattern will be followed. Hope you have got the logic. Stay tuned for the next one. It's 120, 99, 80, 63, 48. Now, in that particular case, the basic logic remains same. From 120 to question mark we have to move. So what is the difference between these two numbers, it's 120 minus 21 equal to 99. Similarly, 99 minus 19 equal to 80. 80 minus 17 equal to 63. 63 minus 15 equal to 48. Obviously the next number will be 48 minus 13, 35. So I 35, and what is the logic? So till now I have shown the incremental order to achieve the next number. It's the decremental order. So the next number is always decreased from its previous number by a certain margin, and that margin is it's minus 21, minus 19, minus 17, minus 15, minus 13, and so on. Obviously, in every case, the order of decrement or the value of decrement is minus 2. So, and so on. So, hope you have got this logic correctly, okay? Moving on to the next one. (22, 24), it's very easy. So we have to find the next one. Okay. So 22 and 24, what is the difference? 22 plus 2 equal to 24. Similarly, 24 and 28, what is the difference? 24 plus 4 equal to 28. What will be the next number? Just calculate. When you will get a particular unknown number after two numbers, the logic becomes just difficult when the question number is placed at the end of the logic series, isn't it? Here only you have got plus 2 plus 4. So now what actually happens here? If we add 28 with 6, so the next number becomes 34. Why I am adding 6? Because plus 2 plus 4 plus 6 and the incremental order of plus 2, as I have already told here. But we have to find, is that incremental order is intact when the next number will be considered after that. So we are adding plus 2 plus 4 plus 6. So obviously if we add plus 8, so what will be the next number? (42), but it's 52. So that logic is not valid here. So what will be the option? What will be the another option to solve this one? If we add 8 with 28, we get 36. Now 2, 4, 8. And what is the difference between 36 and 52? 36 plus 16 equal to 52. Now it seems that the incremental pattern is matched. Okay, so it is plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 16 and 52 plus, obviously it will be 32, 84. So the incremental order is plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 16 plus 32 and so on. So what do we actually get? Just follow the incremental pattern. So 2 into 2 equal to 4. 4 into 2 equal to 8. 8 into 2 equal to 16. 16 into 2 equal to 32 and so on. So what we actually got? If we think in this way, the whole series will be completed and our logic will be a strong one. Okay, and this one is this one we have what we have derived here. It is derived by putting the proper logic. So it's neither decremental order or it is neither incremental order. So it's multiplicable order of 2. Okay. So that logic you have to find or you have to keep in mind. And actually this will you will get a number of similar sorts of series completion test when you will be preparing yourself for your competitive exam. So practice and practice and practice hard, so your conception will be more clear. Okay, so stay tuned for the next one, and this is the final one for this session. 4832 5840 6848. So here is a hint or here is a trick. This is a big number series. Okay, so it's very difficult for you to you are thinking that so how I am going to solve this particular puzzle, it looks very complexing. No, actually not. When you are getting this type of number series with big numbers, you keep it in your mind that there is a trick to solve this. The trick is that just in that case, as per basic logic, you move from left hand side to right hand side, and always remember and always observe in that type of particular series completion test, you just observe the difference. The next number is the next number greater than its previous number or less than its previous number. If it's greater, then find the difference, and if it's lesser than its previous one, then also try to find the difference and try to put that logic in case of the whole series. What I am going to say is that 5840 minus 4832. What is the difference? It's 1008. Also 6848 minus 5840. What is the difference? 1008. So the difference remains constant. So obviously, what will be the next number? The next number is, if you 6848, if you add 1008 with this number, what you will get? 5 7 8 5 6. So 7 8 5 6 will be replaced with the question mark. Now 7 8 5 6 minus 6 8 4 8 equal to 1008. So that remains constant to keep the logic intact. Okay. Thank you for your patience. Hope you have got what I am going to discuss here. Stay tuned for my next videos. Till then, thank you from my end. Keep enjoying.